desert dry, don't desert your dream. A cultural desert barren, so it seems. Deforest the land, hear the forest scream. Deforestation spreads a tragic theme. Fertile soil turns barren, nature's scheme. Infertile ground, a broken dream. Fertilize with fertilizer, make it green. Fertility returns a living seed. Barren deserts stretch, no plants can grow. Desolate canyons, a lonely shore. Desolation everywhere, winds that blow.
Rural life is quiet, urban streets are loud. Suburb in the middle, standing in the crowd. Suburban homes with gardens proud. Urbanization spreads a growing cloud. Outskirts of the city where the city ends. Remote villages where time suspends. Remote access to distant friends. Distant mountains where the sky extends. Distantly related yet so near. In the distant past the view was clear. In the not too distant future we'll revere. Adjacent houses side by side. Toxic waste and rivers where creatures hide. Highly toxic chemicals nowhere to abide. Toxicity rising far and wide. Intoxicated by the poison's tide. Pollution in the air, polluting in the stream. Pollute the water, shatter the dream. The polluter pays, that's all it seems. Contaminate the soil, contaminated land. Contamination spreads out of hand. Contaminating water, grains of sand. Geology studies the earth below. Geological history long ago. Geography too with maps to show. Borderlines and boundary walls. Within the borders nature calls. Border on madness when freedom falls. Margin of the cage, marginal gain. Marginalize the weak, caused in pain. Fringe benefit, fringe of the crowd. Borderlines and boundary walls. Within the borders, nature calls. Plate movements changing course. A plate full of knowledge, a rich resource. Debris scattered after the quake. Crack in the ground, the earth awake. Crack the surface for goodness sake. A gap between the generation gap.
Crack down on crime, avoid the trap. Crack up with stress, don't let it snap. Splendid sights, magnificent views. Grand piano playing super muse. Interesting stories, dramatic and bold. Drama unfolds as the night grows cold. Robin is waiting wild and free. Sunrise colors a sight to see. Sunset glow, the day grows dim. Eclipse of the sun on a heavenly whim. Solar power, lunar light. Calendar pages, day and night. Dusk descends, the shadows creep. Dawn arrives from darkness deep.
Heaven above, so blue and wide. Paradise found where jewels reside. Sunshine warm in golden rays. Shade beneath the trees where coolness stays.
Shallow falling, shallow stream. Vaporizing like a dream.
Evaporate the water into the air. Evaporation happens everywhere. Circulate the air. Circulation flows. Precipitate the rain. Just the weather goes. Precipitation falling from clouds above. A reservoir collecting like a treasure trove.